Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the topic of the healthiest foods you need to incorporate into your diet. Maintaining a nutritious and balanced diet is crucial for overall well-being and optimal health. So, let us explore some amazing foods that will nourish your body and provide numerous health benefits. Without further ado, let us get started. Step 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouses of nutrients. They are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which help boost your immune system, promote healthy digestion, and support heart health. Include a variety of leafy greens in your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Leafy greens are a fantastic source of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They are low in calories and high in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to any meal. You can enjoy them raw in salads, sauté them as a side dish, or even blend them into smoothies for a refreshing boost of nutrition. Step 2. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also packed with antioxidants and fiber. They can help improve brain function, protect against chronic diseases, and contribute to healthy skin. Enjoy them as a snack, in your morning cereal, or in smoothies. Step 3. Avocados. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients like potassium and vitamin K. They can aid in weight management, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Incorporate avocados into your salads, sandwiches, or simply enjoy them as guacamole. Step 4. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health and reducing the risk of heart disease. They are also excellent sources of high-quality protein. Aim to include fatty fish in your diet at least twice a week. Fatty fish is not only delicious, but also incredibly good for you. Packed with heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, these fish can help lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. But that's not all. Fatty fish can also improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and even help you lose weight. Whether you prefer salmon, tuna, or mackerel, there are endless ways to enjoy these nutritious fish. So go ahead, indulge in a tasty and healthy meal with some fatty fish today. Step 5. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds, are packed with healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They provide a great source of plant-based protein and can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Snack on a handful of nuts or add them to your salads, oatmeal, or homemade energy bars. Adding nuts and seeds to your diet can also help reduce your risk of certain health conditions. So go ahead and enjoy these delicious and nutritious snacks. Step 6. Whole grains. Whole grains are an excellent source of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They provide sustained energy, aid in digestion, and can help lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. They help regulate blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and provide sustained energy. Replace refined grains with whole grain alternatives for a healthier diet. Incorporate whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, whole wheat bread, or oats into your meals for a healthy and filling option. Step 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein, calcium, and probiotics, which promote gut health and boost immunity. It can be enjoyed on its own, in smoothies, or as a topping for your breakfast bowls. Step 8. Vegetables. Vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They have been associated with a reduced risk of cancer, improved digestion, and better heart health. Include them in your stir-fries, roasted vegetable medleys, or as a side dish. Conclusion. Incorporating these healthiest foods into your diet can significantly improve your overall well-being and help you lead a healthier lifestyle. Remember, a balanced diet is the key to nourishing your body with the essential nutrients it needs. Experiment with different recipes and find enjoyable ways to include these foods in your meals. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care and stay healthy.